Non-start 65 plate Polo. For some reason we've got compression constantly when exhaust valves are open, and compression dies when inlet valves are open, so we've removed DPF and turbo, and we're just about to split that turbo because DPF's fine. So let's go and have a look over at Vice. What's happening at the Vice? Are we ready, Lou?
More or less.
Right. Removal, please, sir. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, shit, son.
It's eating itself alive.
She's fucking mullered, mate. Oh. Oh, this don't look normal. I think we've found the problem. I mean, I don't want to put myself out there, but I think that's the issue. I don't think that's supposed to be in 2 bits. Get super glue out.